Okay, so we've installed WordPress. We're now going to move on to the next part, which is installing the theme. If you remember from the last video, we were waiting for everything to catch up. Well, once your hosting and your DNS is connected, you'll see something that looks like this screen. This is the WordPress default import screen. So this is what you're waiting for. When it goes away from that little bit of text in the middle saying nothing's connected to this, and if you look here, it's got the title we put in and then the little line that we put in there. Okay, so now we've got here, we're ready to get in and start work. Okay, so to get in and actually start work, what you want to do is just the domain name that you've set up on /wp-admin. Now if you did leave easy hide login or whatever it was installed, then this, instead of wp-admin, you'll put the little 5 letters in here, the randomly generated letters. It just stops bots and stuff finding this page. However, like I said, I went on and actually deleted it. Okay, if you did do it, as long as you ask for the installation details to be sent to you, you'll still have that information. Okay, so we're going to click this, and it will take us through to our actual back end of our WordPress dashboard. Okay, remember the login details that we put in. Okay, and there we are. We're in the back end of the dashboard. Now, all this stuff, don't worry about this. I'll go through all these bits and pieces a little later. Okay, that was what it was originally, but just ignore that now. What we're going to do, we're going to come down here to Appearance and then Themes, and just click on that. I'm going to go Add New, and then once we're here, as you can see, you can type in either Astra or WP Astra, and it will do a search. Here it is with the purple background, and what we're going to do is install that. Just take a moment for that to install. Installed, and now we're going to hit activate. Okay, so there it is, it's activated. We have on here some other installed themes. We can delete a couple of them. I always leave the one with the vase on because it's nice and easily recognizable. But to delete these other two, because they just take up room for no reason, just click on it, bottom corner, delete, and then into this one, get bottom corner and delete. Okay, so we just have our one, 2017. I just like it because it's got the picture, and if I have to uninstall this, it's nice and easy to see once it's actually been uninstalled. And we have this here, which is WP Astra. Okay, in the next video, what we're going to do, we're going to go on and install the actual brand new basic site that we're going to use to give us some of the design aspects that we need at this stage.